Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series on electrical installation, maintenance and testing. Today we are interested for different maintenance strategies like breakdown maintenance, planned or preventive maintenance, condition based maintenance. So you can say that these are the types of maintenance which the maintenance department or the maintenance people are going to do for increasing the life of electrical equipment and increasing the productivity also. In the previous class, we have discussed the definition of the maintenance and we have discussed the importance and necessity of the maintenance. So, at least there are 10 advantages or 10 necessities are there to do the maintenance regularly, or you can say periodically. Basically, these are nothing but the types. So, we will discuss today's important point, that is called as a types of maintenance. So, this tree diagram explains you the maintenance are categorized in different ways. So, this is the maintenance, and we are interested to do the plan of maintenance, and we are interested to do the unplanned maintenance. The name indicates itself. If we are interested, if we have made the plan to do the maintenance of the electrical equipment, so it is under the category of planned maintenance. But if suddenly it is not in our plan, but suddenly we have to do the maintenance, so that is called as a unplanned maintenance. The perfect example of the unplanned maintenance is the emergency maintenance. So, in the unavoidable condition of, let's say, if there is a sudden fault occur on the electrical equipment, then suddenly we have to do this unplanned maintenance or this emergency maintenance. I hope you understood the definition of the unplanned maintenance. Now, the next definition which we are interested today, that is called as planned maintenance. So, these planned maintenance are again divided into three categories. First is the preventive maintenance, second is a corrective maintenance, and third is a predictive maintenance. So, these name indicate itself what type of maintenance actually we are doing. These preventive maintenance are again categorized into three subtypes. So, first is the running maintenance, the second is a shutdown maintenance, we are interested. The third is a scheduled maintenance, and these are the subcategories of the preventive maintenance. The next planned maintenance is the corrective maintenance. This corrective maintenance is under the category of these. There are subtypes. So, first is the breakdown maintenance, and second is the shutdown maintenance. And the third category of the plant maintenance is the predictive maintenance. By this name, scheduled, or you can say shutdown or running, or you can say the breakdown maintenance, you can easily understand that these are under the category of plant maintenance. So, we have to make the plan first to do the maintenance of that particular area or that particular equipments, and we have to execute this plan as per our requirement or as per our need. So, I hope you understood the concept of the types of maintenance. These are also called as the different strategies of the maintenance. In the next class, we will discuss the definition of each and every maintenance in detail along with the example. Those who have missed the previous video lectures, for them, I have mentioned the videos of these in your Google Classroom as well as on your email also. So, those who have missed the previous video lectures, so they have to go on YouTube and search with my name, channel name, and they are interested, those who are interested to watch the videos of unit number 3. So go to the playlist and find out the unit number 3, condition and monitoring and maintenance, unit name, and watch the videos. Thank you. God bless you all.